If you use WhatsApp and don't know about this new update, then your WhatsApp experience is totally lacking, because WhatsApp has introduced a very beautiful and amazing update. With this update, you can now add colorful elements to your friends' chats in WhatsApp. You can impress anyone with this WhatsApp feature. If you go into any friend's chat, after entering the chat, you'll see the attachment option. When you click on it, you'll see a new option. Previously, you used to see 8 options: document, camera, gallery, audio, location, payment, contact, and poll. Now another option has been added, and that is imagine. You'll all see a blue colored option here. When you click on it, you'll see imagine and anything written there. It will ask you, what do you want to imagine? This means whatever is in your mind, whatever you want to create through photos or videos. Yes, friends, from here you can create any kind of photo you want. If we write about a YouTube creator recording a tech video, we can see that here's a YouTuber recording a video about a trick. Here they've created a great photo. When we type Indian, this will now bring up a picture of an Indian. As you can see, friends, with this image feature, you can create anything inside your WhatsApp. If it's someone's birthday, you can make a cake with their name on it. Look, here I wrote Raja Ram's birthday cake along with the name. The name is also written here, and it's beautifully done. There's something else written here, but I can't quite make it out. Okay, so you can use this feature in your WhatsApp to create anything you want. If you want a photo of a boy giving a rose to a girl, you can make that too. So here we'll type an 18-year-old boy kneeling down to give a flower to an 18-year-old girl. You can see that it has created the image of him giving the flower just like that. So look here, I have written Indian, so you can see it here. Friends, how beautiful this photo was made and given, and you all here, you can send it to anyone by clicking on the send option. Here, one special option has been given to animate. So when you click on it, this will add animation inside this photo. So wait here now. In a short time, an animation will be added inside it. See, wow, how beautiful. And this is the beauty. You can send to anyone, and you can also save all in your gallery, even on your social media. If you can post, then click on it. Click on 3 dots here. There is an option to save here. Click on save, and this will be saved inside your gallery. So in this way, friends, you all WhatsApp, you can use the imagine feature here by going inside the attachment. So this is what, friends, are an AI image generator, with the help of which all of you can make images with the help of text you want. If I will click here and write that an Indian boy and girl are just, I have a look at the same time I have written here. So see what is absolutely cool. And also write 18 years here, then pay age here will increase this girl's age. You are seeing that the girl's age has increased. If the boy's age has been kept small, then here it is. Here you can make all your desired photos, and you can make them any you want. If you can share this video with a friend, then hope you all do this video. You must have understood very well through that inside the attachment inside WhatsApp. Here's what the Imagine feature is.